Hello and welcome to Speak Along English. I'm Mia and I am so happy you are here for today's shadowing practice session. Today's topic is airport English conversation, travel English for beginners. We are going to practice speaking all the phrases you need to feel confident at any airport in the world. If you haven't watched the main podcast episode yet, I recommend going back to that first. In that episode, Alex and I explain all the vocabulary and context in detail. The link is in the description below. But if you are ready to practice speaking, perfect! Let's begin. So, what is shadowing? It is simple. I say a phrase, you repeat it immediately, out loud, right after me, just like a shadow follows a person. Don't think too much, just speak. Repeat with confidence. Are you ready? Let's go. Checking in at the airport. These are phrases you will hear and say when you arrive at the check-in counter. Listen and repeat after me. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Here is my booking confirmation. Here is my booking confirmation. I have one suitcase to check in. I have one suitcase to check in. I have 2 bags to check in. I have 2 bags to check in. I only have a carry-on bag. I only have a carry-on bag. I would like a window seat, please. I would like a window seat, please. I would like an aisle seat, please. I would like an aisle seat, please. Can I choose my seat? Can I choose my seat? What time's boarding? What time's boarding? Which gate is my flight? Which gate is my flight? Now let's try some airline staff responses. Practice these too. Here is your boarding pass. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 2:15. Boarding starts at 2:15. Have a great flight. Have a great flight. Excellent! You are doing so well. Keep going. Part 3. Going through security. Listen and repeat. Please remove your shoes. Please remove your shoes. Take out your laptop, please. Take out your laptop, please. Place all items in the tray. Place all items in the tray. Walk through the scanner, please. Walk through the scanner, please. Sorry, can you repeat that? Sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Do I need to remove my belt? Do I need to remove my belt? Here are my items. Here are my items. Is this okay? Is this okay? My cell phone is off for security reasons. My cell phone is off for security reasons. Part 4. Passport control and immigration. Listen and repeat. Here is my passport. Here is my passport. I am here for tourism. I am here for tourism. I am here for a holiday. I am here for a holiday. I am visiting family. I am visiting family. I will stay for 1 week. I will stay for 1 week. I will stay for 10 days. I will stay for 10 days. I am staying at a hotel. I am staying at a hotel. Nothing to declare. Nothing to declare. I don't have anything to declare. I don't have anything to declare. This is my first visit to this country. This is my first visit to this country. Now practice the officer's questions too. What is the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? Where are you staying? Where are you staying? Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare? Part 5. Waiting at the gate and boarding the plane. Listen and repeat. Where is gate B12? Where is gate B12? Excuse me, is this the gate for London? Excuse me, is this the gate for London? Is this flight on time? Is this flight on time? Has boarding started? Has boarding started? Here is my boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. I am in seat 14A. I am in seat 14A. Excuse me, I can't find my seat. Excuse me, I can't find my seat. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Now practice a real airport announcement. This is a boarding announcement. This is a boarding announcement. For flight SA-204 to London. For flight SA-204 to London. We are now boarding all passengers. We are now boarding all passengers. Please have your boarding pass ready. Please have your boarding pass ready. Thank you for flying with us today. Thank you for flying with us today. Part 6. On the plane. Phrases for flight attendants. Excuse me. Excuse me. Could I have a glass of water, please? Could I have a glass of water, please? Could I have some orange juice, please? Could I have a blanket, please? Could I have a blanket, please? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Could you help me with my bag? Could you help me with my bag? Is the meal vegetarian? Is the meal vegetarian? I don't feel well. I don't feel well. How much longer is the flight? How much longer is the flight? Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. Part 7. Baggage claim and leaving the airport. Where's baggage claim? Where is baggage claim? Which belt is for flight SA-204? Which belt is for flight SA-204? That is my suitcase. That is my suitcase. I can't find my suitcase. I can't find my suitcase. My bag has not arrived. My bag has not arrived. Excuse me, I can't find my luggage. Excuse me, I can't find my luggage. My suitcase is damaged. My suitcase is damaged. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Here is my boarding pass and luggage tag. Here is my boarding pass and luggage tag. Which exit should I use? Which exit should I use? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Where is the bus to the city? Where is the bus to the city? How much is the train to the city center? How much is the train to the city center? Great job. Now let's put it all together. I will say a complete travel conversation. Repeat every line right after me. Ready? Good morning. Here is my passport and booking confirmation. Good morning. Here is my passport and booking confirmation. I have one suitcase to check in. I have one suitcase to check in. I would like a window seat, please. I would like a window seat, please. Thank you. What time does boarding start? Thank you. What time does boarding start? And which gate is my flight? And which gate is my flight? Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Here is my passport. I am here for tourism. Here is my passport. I am here for tourism. I will stay for 1 week. I will stay for 1 week. I am staying at a hotel in the city. I am staying at a hotel in the city. Nothing to declare. Thank you. Nothing to declare. Thank you. Excuse me, could I have a glass of water, please? Excuse me, could I have a glass of water, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Before I let you go, I want to remind you, if you came here without watching the main podcast episode first, that is totally okay. But I do recommend going back to watch it. In that episode, Alex and I explain all of this vocabulary and the context behind it. You will find the link to the podcast episode in the description below. And there are more shadowing episodes there too for other topics. That is it for today's Airport English shadowing practice. You just practiced so much real travel English, checking in, security, immigration, boarding, the plane, and baggage claim. That is a complete airport journey, all in English. I am so proud of you for practicing out loud today. That takes courage, and every time you do it, you get better, faster, more natural. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Small, consistent steps. That is how you build real English-speaking confidence. And next time you are at an airport, you will be ready. You can do this. If this shadowing session helped you, please subscribe to Speak Along English, give it a like, and share it with someone who is planning to travel soon. Tell us in the comments which phrase from today do you want to remember most. Write it below. It is great writing practice too. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep speaking, keep practicing. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.